I'm out of breath.
This is what happens when he runs the lot. That's how big it is.
Wow! Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, the VW Harvest this year is going to be ginormous. It's going to be humongous. It's going to be huge. It's going to be big. Make sure you come.
What's it gonna be?
Huge.
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 With a Y. I like
Huge.
it. Where are we, Martin?
Where are we, Martin?
In Hutto.
Hutto. You in Hutto now.
Hutto, apparently.
Boy.
Home of the hippo.
Oh, the hippos. Also, the new home of the
VW Harvest.
Yay! Here we are.
2024.
This is it. October 20th, 2024. This is the new location. It's called the Brushy Creek Amphitheater or the Adam Orgain Park. Has two different names.
It is massive. It's huge. There's plenty of room for growth. It's going to be totally different. And then whatever is going on over there. We got room for the Kiwanis for free food we give everybody. We got room for the swap, the raffle. You know, we love a good raffle, so we always have a huge amount of raffle. We'll have some fancy shirts this year. Bring the I love the 80s. We're bringing them back.
Oh yeah, 80s baby.
Yeah.
Nice. And new this year, just so you know, swappers.
Yeah, with growth comes changes.
Yes, it does. We got to pay for this place. And so therefore, swappers, it is a $40 flat fee. Here's the good news.
You can take up as much space as you want.
You see that?
Yeah, yeah.
We lost count at 1,233 spots. So there's plenty of room. So swappers are going to cost you $40.
But the show itself to bring your car is still free.
Still free.
Still free.
Food will still be free based on donations to the Kiwanis guys because they always help us out and they always give back to local charities. We love that.
Yes, indeed.
That's what we do here at the Harvest is we try to make this show as charity friendly, as event going friendly as possible. It's just a big open lot at this time. So
Yep. It's
bring your
It'll be
pop-ups.
a lot of cars.
There
will be
yeah.
a lot of cars.
Oh, good one.
Yeah.
Oh, Martin. Nice.
Yeah.
So yes, the park here is beautiful. We've kind of like laid out a land. There'll be a place for the cars to show cars. There'll be a place for the swappers. There'll be a place for spectators and for if you bring your trailer, you don't have to go hunting for a place. You don't have to go hiking like across the woods before. It's right here. We got plenty of parking, and we're so excited for you guys to join us on October the 20th.
Yep. Nope. There's plenty of space for everybody, and you know, our old spot, we love it to death, but we were bursting at the seams, and everybody who's ever been to that show knows that it is just we stuffed as much as we could get in there, and we need to move.
It was time to grow, and the city of Hutto has been very accommodating to us, and we're excited about that to be out here. And y'all, a couple things, just you can see it is a big giant parking lot. You're more than welcome to bring your pop-up canopy. You do need a way to secure it in case the wind pops up. No pun intended, or pun intended.
Yeah, you would have liked the pun intended.
That would have been, that's it. So, but do bring a pop-up canopy. That more than welcome to do that. We've got plenty of space for everybody. That's the most exciting thing about this is not only do we have space today, but we got space to continue to grow too for the harvest. Let's give you a little, the Kiwanis are going to be over here. They of course help support the Kiwanis. This is their biggest fundraiser. They help with school supplies, and they are doing a wonderful thing at kids working in community service projects and things of that nature. So we're going to have the Kiwanis will be here. Remember, it's donations. They accept donations for their food and drinks, and it's not a cash only, but stuff those cans full. We're going to have the valve cover race. It's back, okay? The valve cover race. Holy smokes. We've got, so please get your valve covers. The rules are on the website. People are pretty particular about those rules on that, so we'll do that. Then we're going to have our raffle all set up here. We're going to be excited about the raffle and what we have going on there. A couple of things to remind everybody when you come. Make sure you pick up after yourself. We'll have trash cans all over. We want to leave this park. This is a city park. We want it to be as clean. We want it to be cleaner than when we found it. So that's very important that we do that. Okay, let's keep that in mind. Okay. You guys with trailers, you're gonna love this because, man, you got plenty of place to park those things now. So you're bringing your car on a trailer, that's wonderful. When we come in, we're gonna bring Volkswagens in right here. On the other entrance, on the far end of where spectators will come through, spectator parking, go for it. We got all kinds of, remember, it's free. This is a free show, so tell your aunts, tell your neighbors, tell everybody about coming to the VW Harvest. Spectator parking, trailer parking, the swap, remember the swap, okay? This year it's $40. You can have as many spots as you want, okay? As a former swapper, that's the magic, that's magic to my ears right there. For $40 and I take up as much as I want. Go for it, boys. Bring your swap stuff, because we want this to be a giant swap, okay? So that's an exciting thing too. And then over here, we're gonna have just Volkswagens. There'll be about, I don't know, hopefully over about 300 to 400 of them. It's beautiful out here. Right to over here, you guys are more than welcome. This is to set up a picnic area. The Brushy Creek is right over there. We can't have any cars over there because this is this park. But you're more than welcome to set up canopies or your picnic table, or bring your soccer ball or your volleyball or badminton, whatever you're gonna do. Play over there. You can go down to the creek. It's really pretty over there. So this is Brushy Creek. So we're excited about that too. Already, the folks at Wolfsburg West have contributed. Thank you guys at Wolfsburg West. VWNOS. Oh my gosh, isn't that amazing? The stuff we already got from those guys. Project VW is coming up with us. Griot's Garage, we got some stuff coming from those guys. Coker Tire, we appreciate you guys. Our friends at Go Westy, always, woo, they always do. We love those guys out there at Go Westy for sure. Summit Racing always is right on the money, man. Summit Racing's right there with us too. So we're excited for you guys who are already here and helping us out, and we look for more. Anyway, guys, we're excited. The VW Harvest is coming up October 20th. Check Instagram, check Facebook, check where else? YouTube. Oh, you're on YouTube. There you go. There you go. You're seeing it
Website,
now.
but the website address changed a little bit.
Yeah, the website we're working, still kind of getting that all squared away too. But everything's out there, so we appreciate you guys, and we're excited to see you guys on October the 20th.
At the Hutto Amphitheater.